Welcome to the Viramp Automation channel. I am your host Sajid Mithagiri, and today we are going to look at an interesting product. This is Schneider HMI SU8. Okay, so this is actually HMI and a PLC combined into a single product. As you can see, this is a screen and this is the PLC. So today I will not go into deep about this. That we will discuss in another video. But today I will be showing you a special feature of this product. Okay. So what happens when you want to access my PLC or HMI? I want to access this in a remote location. So either I have to go to the panel or I can't access from a really remote location. So what Schneider has come up with, I'll show you. Okay, so let's begin the procedure. For the procedure, you only need 3 items, as you can see I have in front of me. First is the router. Any router can work. Second is, of course, the product Schneider HMI HCU, and third is your mobile phone to access it remotely. So let's begin. And there is no rocket science in this. You just take an Ethernet cable, plug in your router or company network, and you just plug it in the Ethernet port of the HMI. I will do it here, just like this. That's it, and you are ready to go. Okay, so now I have assigned an IP address to this HMI, and that's it. Your work is done here. You can just take your mobile, and there's an app called Vigio Air provided by Schneider Electric. You can just download it in your mobile and open the app. So I have downloaded it here, and I'll just open it. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just add this device. So I'll give it name HMI, and the IP address I have provided to the HMI. So I'll put that IP address here. Okay, just like normal IP address, and I just press OK. As you can see, my device is added here. Now this is connected via wirelessly to the router mobile phone, and the router is connected to the HMI. So if we want to access the screen of the HMI, I'll just tap this here and press OK. Done. And now I am seeing my HMI screen remotely, and I can also control the full HMI from here. So as you can see, there is my screen. As you can see, I can basically do everything what I can do on the HMI. So here you can see, as I am pressing here, you can see the same screen is here. Here, see. Okay. It's changing with my touch. So this was a basic demo of this app called Vigio Air. So this is very useful in companies where you want a remote access of your HMIs or another Magidis products. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.